Everyone, it's Mrs. Burdick, the reading coach. I would love to share the selection, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle with you today. Now, before we actually start to read, I want us to think about how we'll organize our thoughts. And I thought a flow map would be a great way to do that. So as I read, I want you to ponder the flow map and the content of our text. So think about the beginning, the events that take place, and then the end of our selection. Now, I only have 2 event boxes here, but this story will lend itself to many more. So we want to think about how we'll organize our thoughts before we actually read. But let's get right to that reading. This is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, and 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called the cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. And he was a beautiful butterfly. I hope you enjoyed our selection, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Now, let's take a look at that flow map. Can you remember the beginning of the story, the events in order, and then the ending? Now remember, at the very end, he turned into a beautiful butterfly. Now, after you do a graphic organizer of any kind, always think about how you can sum it up. Write a summary about what you've written in the graphic organizer. That is a great way to be able to remember what you've read. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, stay safe, be kind, have the adult in your house subscribe to this channel, Paget Coach's Corner. And this is Mrs. Burdick out.